All right, folks, welcome back to the channel. Things are a little different looking today. I had to break out the GoPro, so things might look and sound a little bit different than they usually do. Today, I want to talk to you about gear. More specifically, how to haul your gear, how to haul all your stuff from your home to the field and back. Typically, go out for a weekend of racing, do a multi-GP event. I've got my big low pro bag with all my stuff in it to possibly repair anything that happens out in the field. Ton of batteries, extra quads, all that stuff. But let's say that that's not your deal, not your jam for the day. Maybe you just want to go do a quick rip and dip, Just have the stuff with you just in case you find a spot to fly. No intentions on fixing anything, maybe changing a prop. That's about it. Maybe taking 4 packs at the most with you. I'm not going to carry that big backpack with me. So I have this. This is the Realacc X-lite transmitter bag. This was sent to me by my friends from Banggood for review. I have 2 of these, and wait till the end of the video and I'll give you instructions on how you could possibly win this. Now, this is a new one. I just took it out of the packaging. Has a little clasp at the top for securing a quad. Just open it up, take a quick look inside. Nice meshed pocket right here with like that really soft mesh. Storing some stuff. This little piece of foam that's supposed to protect your radio. I honestly threw that away. It's got a shoulder strap. Another little strap for attaching another quad. A perfect spot for your X-lite. A couple extra batteries, your FPV goggles, and I don't know, module or something right there. So that is what you get when you buy one of these. Pretty well constructed. It's not super soft, but it's not a hard case. It's kind of that, I don't know, I would equate it to like the stiffness of a Fat Shark box. But anyways, let's put this one aside and I'll show you my quick rig. So if I'm going out, I'm just going to go fly for an afternoon, maybe just go hit a spot or 2. I don't plan on fixing anything. This is typically what I take. Sometimes the quads change, but for this demonstration, this is what I put together. I have 2 quads on here. That orange strap is going through this Diatone GTB 339. Go ahead and unclip that. So we've got one of our quads off the bag, and the other one is my Armaton Gecko with the Cadex Tarsier camera in a real cool setup. I'm gonna put that aside as well. So we'll go ahead and open up the bag here, and on the inside I have my Frsky X-lite Pro with my my gimbal protector that I made for it since I put the Vantech gimbals on there. I had to redesign a gimbal protector. I have my Fat Shark HDOs with the rapid fire module, a long range luminaire axis antenna, and a Foxeer lollipop. That fits right in there. I don't have to take my battery off or my antennas. I just got to loosen this one. With this setup, you do kind of have to pre-game your antenna choice if you want to do it this way. In here I have my Frsky R9M Lite Pro module. And in the top here, I have 1, 2, 3 2S HV lipos for the GTB. I've got 3 850 4S lipos for the Gecko. A couple extra props for the Gecko. A couple props for the GTB. A Super 8 antenna for the R9M Lite Pro, and a neat little prop tool. And that's it. That's all I need to go and just hit a spot for an afternoon, or just, hey, I'm going to take my motorcycle to the range. I don't really want to pack heavy. I'll just do this. I break both quads. I'm just done for the day. No big deal. And this is a perfect case for this occasion. it does exactly what it's supposed to do. It's just a quick, just does what it's supposed to do. Just a quick little bag of goodies just to get you through, you know, an afternoon or a couple hours of flying. This is a perfect bag for what it's intended. Just a quick, let's grab some stuff and go and fly bag. I really like it. It's really well constructed. It's a real nice bag. It does exactly what I need it to do. It'll hold 2-ish quads, maybe more. It just depends on how you want to deal with strapping them on there. I choose not to use the shoulder strap because it does have a nice little handle on it. I don't need to carry stuff over my shoulder. If you need to take more packs, you know, take a lipo bag. That's one more bag. I get it, but you know, you can throw some more tools in there, more props, whatever you want to do. But you know, this bag has done me well. It's seen me through a couple flying scenarios that I really didn't want to take the whole backpack. I didn't have the space. Just want to be a little more conspicuous. This is perfect. All right, so the part you're waiting for, I hope you're waiting for this. If you would like to win this bag, please leave one comment and one comment only in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe, click that bell icon so you can get notified when I put up the winner selection video. And if you're in the US, I'll send this to you, no charge. If you're outside of the country, we'll have to talk about shipping rates because shipping out of the US is just stupid expensive. I don't know why, it just is. But anyways, that is the Realacc X-lite bag. For me, it's my rip and dip setup. And if you want to win one, please comment below. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching this. If you like what I'm doing, you know, like, subscribe, all that stuff, especially if you want to win this bag. All right, guys, I'll see you next time.